So this is a video just showing that we can actually install a new kitchen and do it well. What you're looking at now is the old kitchen. This is just pictures of the old kitchen that I took before we started. And then you can see the mock-ups. These have been drawn up by DIY Kitchens, the kitchen supplier. And this is what we're aiming for the new kitchen to look like when we're finished. And then just to prove we've actually done the work, this is it ripped out. This is about week one, the end of week one, when most of it's all gone now. This is all the prep stage, just getting it ready for the new kitchen to go in. And then jump straight forward in time to when the kitchen's finished. We've done everything in this kitchen. We've done the bespoke cupboard for the boiler and the bookshelf there on the side, all the cabinetry, the plumbing, gas pipe work, electrics. We've done the flooring, tiling, even fitted a new radiator, that hob there, so like an induction hob built into the islands. Went really well. That radiator in the background is always on the skirting boards. The only thing we didn't do is the painting. The client did the painting himself. Really good job. Really happy with how this went. The client was over the moon as well. Just a really nice looking kitchen. Just a beautiful kitchen. Down to the client's choice as well. The client chose some really nice products. We just did the fitting, but yeah, looks awesome, and we are very happy with it.